Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Jan Gan Man on keyboard, updated. Begin by learning the main vocal melody in C major, using right-hand single notes slowly. Practice the melodic phrase in short loops of 2 bars, then add octave doubling on strong beats for warmth. Use left-hand triads and occasional fifths for harmonic support, keeping rhythm steady. Gradually increase tempo as accuracy improves for performance readiness. Master the chord progression by learning I Roman 4V in C major and practice inversions for smooth voice leading. Start with root position triads, then use first and second inversions to create stepwise bass motion. Practice moving between chords without pausing, keeping the left hand steady on quarter notes while the right hand ornaments the melody lightly. Add simple passing tones and grace notes to match the vocal nuances and maintain the patriotic solemnity. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tutorials. Also consider this product we use on set. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, link in description. They save time between practice sessions and keep snacks tidy for long practice days. Check the description for that link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Incorporate proper rhythm by counting aloud and tapping a steady tempo at first, focusing on legato phrasing. Use a metronome to maintain consistent pulse, starting slow then increasing in small increments until comfortable. Emphasize the song's natural rises and falls, giving longer note values to sustained syllables and shortening passing notes. Balance dynamics between hands so the melody sings above accompaniment, and practice sections with tricky transitions until fluidity becomes natural.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.